got two rigs set up to capture this, doing time lapses. The first rig is a Sky-Watcher ST80 achromat refractor, the classic good old ST80 with a homemade Baader solar film filter, and the ASI585 camera, just with its nose piece and that IR cut filter on the front, just popped into the star diagonal, all connected up with a USB and capturing a time lapse in ASI cap here. My second rig, I've got the C-Star S30 on my tall carbon fibre tripod so I can peer over the fence and not missing anything. And that's also doing a time lapse down here. It's doing a grand job. So I've got some redundancy just in case something goes wrong. And yeah, got some solar glasses as well. I don't know if I can show you that. Hope everyone else is managing to capture it, but if not, I thought I'd do a quick video because I'm aware that not everyone could get hold of solar glasses, or not everyone's in the right place to see this. For example, if you're in the US, I think you only get to see about 10%, and it's like 91% where I am in the southeast of England. So yeah, I thought I'd share the goods, and hopefully I'll have something to show you in a moment.